rank right up there with some of the craziest things I've ever had to do. A couple of years back, I did a race against a cheetah that became pretty public, and I think racing this A380 this morning, British Airways' new animal, going to be pretty tough. Got to get my focus on, because once that Airbus is on full throttle, I'm going to have to be moving pretty quickly.
We've got 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 900 engines. Each one produces 70,000 pounds of thrust. So we're going to accelerate very, very quickly indeed. We'll get airborne about 140 miles an hour, and we can fly it up to 600 miles an hour when we're airborne. So I'll give him a wave as we go past.
Yeah, it's got no chance. I've been playing with Brian for a long time, and Brian's very quick, but it's a big piece of machinery and that plane's very fast. So yeah, good luck to you, Brian, but I think it's a no contest, to be honest.
One of the guys was informing me that it takes about 3 kilometres or so for the plane to get in the air. So I'm thinking from stationary over the first 100, I think he's got it.
I'd really like to back my chances, but I think it's going to be a real close finish. I'd definitely say I'm up for the challenge. Hopefully I can make South Africa proud.
Let's go!